Hello there, friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you this delicious curry chicken dinner that I made for my family. It was so delicious, so let's get right into it. To my blender, I add in onion, ginger, habanero pepper, garlic, some scallion, green bell peppers, parsley, aniseed, oil, and then I'll blend until smooth. I have cleaned my chicken with lime and vinegar, so I'll go on to add my blended marinade. I also have curry powder, paprika, allspice, adobo, chicken seasoning, black pepper, and salt. And then we'll mix everything in, guys. You can marinate your chicken 2 hours before cooking it, but I marinated mine for 24 hours. So, yes, so this is the night before I cooked the chicken. So I covered it and refrigerated it for 24 hours. Now let's cook some curry chicken. To the pot, I'll add in about a half a cup of oil and then I'll add my curry to the oil. This process is called burning the curry. It means you're releasing the flavors of the curry in the oil. This is a very important step when you're making curry chicken. I'll then add in my marinated chicken and the remaining of the marinade right on top of the chicken. I'll cover it and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. Now, 5 minutes later, guys, I'll go on to turn the chicken over. Yes, we are just releasing the chicken from the bottom of the pot. I'd like to thank you guys so much for your support and always coming back to watch my videos. If today's your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by and please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much. My chicken has cooked for another 10 minutes. I'm giving it another stir. I'll then come in with my vegetables. I have bell peppers, carrot, onions. I've added in my potatoes, chicken seasoning, and salt, and then give it a gentle stir. Now at this point, we'll cover it and allow it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender. I'll then garnish it with my green scallion and we'll be serving this with white rice, guys. You can enjoy this with rice and peas and dinner is ready. So delicious. This is a Jamaican style curry chicken and my family enjoys it so much. I hope you give this a try and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family. Dinner is ready. Please join us and let's eat. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.